Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to change language in PC in a quick and simple way, so you can use your computer in the language you prefer. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. The Start menu gives you access to Apps, Settings, and System Controls. From there, click on Settings, which is the gear icon used to manage your computer's main options. Step 2. Inside the Settings window, select Time and Language. This section controls date, time, speech, and language preferences. It is important because this is where you manage the display and typing languages on your PC. Step 3. Now click on Language from the left side panel. The language option allows you to control the Windows display language and keyboard settings. This is where you can view the languages currently installed on your computer. Step 4. Under Preferred Languages, click on Add a Language. This option lets you add a new language for display, typing, and formatting. It is useful if you want to switch to another language for work, study, or personal use. Step 5. Choose your language from the list and click Install to begin the process. After installation, select the language and set it as the default display language if needed. Your PC may ask you to sign out and sign back in to apply the changes properly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.